OK, time for scores. As usual, Mr Darren Palmer always starts with a 10. And if he finds anything wrong, he takes off half a point. So did anybody think they get a perfect 10 from Mr Darren Palmer today?
Nah.
Let's find out. OK, Harry and Tash, Darren Palmer.
These beautiful little shelves are timed beautifully with the overhead cabinets. Everything's just so nicely framed and linear.
Sarah and George.
That is just next level stone masonry.
Daniel and Jay.
You can really sit 5 people comfortably. That's really, really clever.
Oh, far out.
Luke and Jasmine.
It's all about this corrugated, curved finish today, isn't it?
Oh. So 9.5 too.
Jimmy and Tam.
Mint green and brass and grey shouldn't work, but it all does.
That's a first.
That is a first.
It's huge.
Unreal.
Well
done.
Bloody PowerPoints.
OK, Shayna Blaze. Harry and Tash.
Literally going to walk in and go, boom! This is a catwalk.
Sarah and George.
I think it's got that great combination of style and then the modern technology, like a beautiful combination of the old and the new.
Yeah, I knew it.
Daniel and Jade.
They've got the balance right of functionality and display.
Luke and Jasmine.
This is absolutely gobsmackingly beautiful.
Holy moly.
Jimmy and Tam.
Wow, how incredible is that?
Jimmy. Yeah, man.
Now, before I go round to Mr Neil Whittaker, old mate here, he's looking up at this score and he's going, I might see some action here tonight.
I might look at him too and think the same thing.
What are you thinking?
What do you want to do?
You have to. You have to.
Do it.
Do it.
Yeah, it looks the
Do you want me to,
Yeah, I know,
hey,
it's
you
hard,
want me to
man.
go to an ad
So
break?
hard. Yeah, go to an ad break now.
You want me to go to an ad break? We'll be back in a minute with their decision.
Just use it. Just use it.
Yeah, look, it's the gnome and he's there to be used, and we won him on another challenge, so... But it doesn't feel right to use him. You just go, I just want to win one outright, you know? Like, just want this to be our win and not have a gnome, so... Yeah.
Oh, there'll probably be a better time.
Stop it. Just play the goddamn frickin' gnome, mate.
No way.
Just play that. Just use it.
Yeah.
Just use it.
Yeah,
Just use it.
We'll have to put him up, Scotty.
Daniel felt bad about it, but like, it's the game.
It's the game.
We've done it. Daniel, don't feel bad, man. It's the game, bro.
It's
all good.
Putting him up while you're shaking your head at the same time while putting him up. You don't want to waste him.
Look, I'm just, I'm turning around.
What are you going to do? Take him home as a souvenir?
It would have been nice. I had mentioned
Yeah, I
that.
reckon you
but
would have.
Anyway,
OK, so bonus point up.
yeah.
Roger that.
Why not?
I'll see you in a sec.
Why not?
That's the wrong decision.
Yeah, will be the wrong decision.
OK, Neil Whittaker, Harry and Tash.
Well, I think this kitchen has just got a beautifully resolved simplicity. They have introduced just enough styling to give it that sense of luxury.
Sarah and George.
To sort of show someone how to do a monochrome kitchen, my goodness, it would be this. It's beautiful.
Daniel and Jade.
That is a beautiful nod to the Deco era.
+1. Luke and Jasmine.
These are kitchens that are setting trends rather than following them.
And Jimmy and Tam.
And it's completely unique. It's got this house's personality and character.
Okay, the winner of week 6 on the Block 2020 Kitchen Week and driving out of here with $10,000 from Ford is... We'll find out after these messages. No, I'm only joking, it's coming. The winner is... Daniel and Jade! Congratulations, Daniel and Jade, by half a point. With the help of their little-known friend, Daniel and Jade have taken their very first win of the season.
Myself, when we played that gnome, I thought, oh, this could be half a point the wrong way here. Yeah, look, a lot of hard work.
It's just exciting.
Now tied for second place were underdogs Harry and Tash.
Dad, we were so close. I didn't actually think we were even close to winning.
Well, did well. Happy with that.
Front runners Jimmy and Tam.
It was so close.
The 5 best kitchens the block has ever seen.
Ever.
Like, it's next level.
Yep.
And tied for third place on 28 was Sarah and George and Luke and Jasmine.
When you come in, we come tied third
Third? It's kind of...
on 28.
Yeah, you know what? We knew it was going to be a very tight week this week. It was after seeing everyone's kitchens come to life, it was like, well, it's going to be a tough one for the judges. So we knew how tight it was going to be.
Those incredibly close scores mean that Jimmy and Tam still hold the overall lead by 4.5 points in the race that will decide everyone's auction order.